Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Today we will learn animals. There are two types of animals: wild animal, domestic animal. First, we will learn domestic animal. Types of animals. There are different types of animals. Some animals live in forest and some animals are kept at homes or farms. Animals. There are two types: domestic animal, wild animal. First, we will learn domestic animal. Animals that can live and grow with us in our homes or in our farms are called as domestic animals. We need to keep them with us because they give us food like eggs, meat, milk, and also wool to make clothes. Cow. This is a cow. They like to eat grass. They give us milk, which is very healthy. All children should drink milk every day. Cows are found in different colors, sizes, and shapes. Next, donkey. This is a donkey. A donkey helps us by carrying heavy loads on his back. A donkey helps us by carrying heavy loads on his back. Next, sheep. This is the sheep. Sheep is used for meat. Sheep also gives us wool. These wools is then used to make woolen clothes. For winter season, they like to eat grass. This wool is then used to make woolen clothes for winter season. Horse. This is a horse. They live in fields. They can run very fast. Horses are used for riding and for drawing carts. Next one, hen. This is a hen. It gives us eggs and meat which we eat. Hens can run but cannot fly. It gives us eggs and meat which we eat. Hens can run but cannot fly. The next one, duck. This is a duck. They live in ponds. They can swim. It gives us eggs. Just like hen, they eat fish and frog. It gives us eggs. Just like hens, they eat fish and frogs. There are different types of domestic animals. Some of the domestic animals are cow, sheep, horse, donkey, hen, duck, etc. Next, we will learn domestic animals. Animals that are kept at homes or farms are domestic animals. Animals such as cows, horses, goats, sheep, etc. are domestic animals. We make homes for some animals we keep. Domestic animals helps us in many ways. We get milk from cow, buffalo, and goats. Milk is used to make curd, butter, ghee, and paneer. Milk is used to make curd, butter, ghee, and paneer. We get eggs from hens and ducks. we get honey from beehives. The next one, we get meat from goat, chicken and fish. Children, are you like non-veg? We get meat from goat, chicken and fish. The next one, we get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Children, are you see silkworm? The first picture, that is called a silkworm. The third picture, it is a making of silkworm thread. We get wool from sheep for thread, cap, muffler and sweater. Okay. Do you like sheep, children? They give the different types of wool. The next one, skin of dyed animals is used as a leather. We make the following things. Some animals carry heavy load for us. For cow and horse, donkey, elephant. The next one, animals also helps us to move from one place to another. Animals also help us to move one place to another. Children, have you understood domestic animal? Okay, children. Thank you for your listening. We will see the next class.